Got a dirty puppy here. Gonna
First
get
bath.
her first bath. So here we go.
In the water
sink.
you go.
Oh, I should take her collar off, huh? Take that
She's
off.
gonna be a wet puppy.
Yeah. I don't know what she's gonna think of this. Probably not much. Stinky puppy need bath.
Oh, she says, hey, that's not so bad.
Does that feel good?
That sounds good.
Yeah. She wants to lick the sink. Yeah. Oh, look at all that fur. Stay in the sink, baby. Her first bath. Yes, her first bath. Her first bath. They say that golden retrievers are water dogs, so we'll find out. I don't know if that includes bath time.
It's going to take her a month to dry off.
Well, we're going to get her used to the blow dryer while she's a puppy. Okay, I think that's enough water. Okay, let's